Alright, your 1990 Flair basketball packages open up. Trying to get some Jordans and some rookies. Let's try to open up quick too. I'm gonna try to open it up quick. Doherty, Clyde, Michael Cooper, B.J. Armstrong, a bunch of nobodies. Maurice Cheeks, Aguirre, Kenny Anderson, Brian Fleming, Larry Bird. He's worth a little something. Let me see. Corners. Corners look alright. Might be an 8 or 9. John Battle, David Wingate, Bill Wellington, nothing. Okay, let's get us another one here. One thing about these packs, they are easy to open up. Scottie Pippen, alright. That's who that was. Oh, Scottie, third year. Nobody, Karl Malone. I'll put him to the side. Maybe worth a couple dollars, $5 or something. I got my list right here, what everyone's been going for. As long as they're PSA 10s, you know, you can get some money for them. You don't always gotta be Kobe Bryant. I mean, not Kobe Bryant, Michael Jordan. Garbage once again. Let's see here. All right, Joe Curry. Odell. Tyrone Corbin. Alex English. Low-key baller. Terry Cummings. Ricky Pierce. Where's my Jordans at? Brad Davis. Danny Ferry. I seen him go for $15. I don't know why they bought him. I don't know what's up with that. Horace Grant. Hey Johnson, nothing. 3 packs, nothing. Oh, we got Larry. We did get Larry and Carl and Scotty. Package number 4. Package number 4. You got no stickers or nothing yet either. Because that 89, I think it's 2 came with everything. What the hell's going on here? Chris Mullen. Chris Morris. J.R. Reed. Xavier McDaniels. They are fresh, too. You can smell how fresh the motherfuckers are, too. They've been in that case for fucking 30 years. Isn't that crazy? 30 fucking years. There's Dennis Rodman. Alright, Dennis. That's a rookie card. Larry Nance. Y'all know his son. Larry Nance Jr., obviously. It seems like every basketball player named their son after them, huh? I would too. Alright. right, here you go. Mark Jackson. All right, coach. I feel Jordan coming up, too. I swear I do. Edwards, Scott Brooks. Reggie Miller, all right. There's Reggie. Put him to the side. That looks like a 10. Good corners on Reggie. Moses Malone. All right, Irvin Magic Johnson, All-Star. Might be an 8. Maybe a 9. Johnny Dawkins. Chuck Person. Reggie Lewis. Theodore and Vernon. Oh, Theodore and Vernon. Do. Let's see what we got here. Byron Scott. There he is. There's Michael. Hey, and it looks good. Them corners look beautiful too. Let me see here. Yeah. Top's a little bit more. Let's see his back here. What do you think, guys, huh? It's definitely a 9, though. All right, Mike, put him up. What are them PSA 9s going for? About $100. I just sold like an 8 or a 7 the other day for like $40. Corners, it was very off center. I gave him 40. Or he gave me 40, I mean. Kevin McHale. Hakeem Olajuwon. I'm gonna put him to the side just because I don't know if it's him or his All-Star is worth money. Spud. The deal. Alright, Tim Hardaway. There we go. Oh, I got Tim. It's hard to get to. There's Jimmy. That's a rookie. He's worth a little bit, maybe $20, so. Alright. Is this a pack? That's it. Let's see here. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Alright, let's see here. Sorry about the camera. Best I could do for now. Should I go down a little more? Derek McKee. Oh, Pooh Richardson. Rod Strickland. See here, Alvin Robertson. Can we get this shit right? There you go. Let me try to see if I can take it off the ground here, maybe off my bed. Sam Perkins. Raymond Tisdale. Seen he went, someone paid $15 for him the other day, too. I don't know what's up with him. Oh, Wayman. Oh, you got a fucking name out. I'll just call him Raymond. God damn. Billy Mark Price. Oh, Cliff Robertson. There's Michael Thompson, Stacey King, Tim Perry, Trent Tucker. We got also one Jordan PSA 10. $200 for a PSA 10 Jordan. $100 for a 9. So I had to go cop the box. If I get 2, I'm good. There's Dennis. He's worth a little song. Dennis Rodman. Is it a PSA 10 or no? Maybe this is maybe a 9. Probably worth 15 bucks. There's Isaiah sticker. PS 10 is worth 30 if it is. Looks about pretty centered almost. Now a little off on the back. Alright. Oh, James Worley. He got sold. PSA 10 of his worth 15. That ain't no 10 though. I ain't no PSA 10. Real Purdue. Kurt. Oh, Isaiah right there. Nobody's looking buying his base cards. You know what I mean? I can't find nobody that buys base card. There's John Stockton base card. Yeah, old Stockton. He ain't really much nothing either in this set. Name Derek Smith. Dan Shades, Bernard King. Alright. Okay, it's the last pack for one row. This is the top right row of the box. And I opened two rows, that's it. In this video. And 2 in the other. Been making them too long, they've been crying. Benoit, Manute Bull, Nicky Anderson. And in this pack. No, Danny Ainge. Alright, let's go down. We're gonna do the right side of the box. Another stack. So fresh and so clean. Looking for a Vlade Divac rookie too. He's worth a little something. No, Sean Kemp. PSA 10 Sean Kemp's $157. Alright, so nice Sean Kemp. It's got Reggie Miller again. Alright, Miller. Let's see what else we got here. You know, Mark Eaton. Buck Nasty Johnson. He ain't worth shit. He knows Moses Malone. They're sitting at home like, man, my fucking basketball card ain't worth shit. I must have sucked. Well, you obviously weren't that good. Byron Allen, AC Green, Horace Grant. Nothing to that one. Oh, old Scotty. I mean, old motherfucking Reggie Miller. Reggie Miller ain't worth much either. Larry Bird worth 55. We get him a PSA 10. Alright, let's see what we got here. Gerald Wilkins. Here's just Isaiah Thomas. We'll put that to the side, but he ain't really selling John. We'll leave him where he is. Lucille Thomas. There's Ed Pickney. Derek Smith. There's a checklist coming up. Got about 4 checklists already. King. And Norman. Chris Mullen. Lord. Chris Morris. Avery McDaniel. We're nothing. Okay, get some more packs here. Let's get going. Trying to move along here. Todd Murphy. He's a league leader in fewest turnovers. Okay, Todd. David Robinson, rookie again. David Robinson, PSA 9 probably. Well, he gives a 10. Got plenty of cards shot to pack here. I had to put them on Instagram too. I ain't getting much of nothing. Michael Jordan again. There's Mike. I want to be like Mike. Let's see here. Yep, that's a PSA 10. Look at that. Look at that front. See the motherfucker. That shit is even on every side. Let's see this back. Oh. Bottom. I don't know. It's my eye. It's just a little crooked down there. My eye. I don't know. But that's damn near a 10. I'll tell you that. That's the close. Okay, so that might be a 200. All right. Well, just those two Michael Jordans right there. That's right. We pay for a pack. We pay for a box. Everything else is extra. You know what I mean? We ain't even halfway through. See what we got going on here. A. Johnson. Mark Jackson. James Edwards. Oh, Scott Brooks. Reggie Miller again. Oh, Reggie Nick Klein. Mark Eden. See this here. Larry Bird, that motherfucker might be nice too. It might be a 10. DNA, James Worthy, that's hot center. Larry Bird sticker. Larry Bird. Alright, you got 5 more. And I'm hanging this motherfucking video up. I'll make another one for the other ones. So far, we're doing alright. That's 2 Jordans. See if we can get any more. Alright, we got Mike Sanders. Kevin McKidd. There's a Keem Elijah one. It's a nice one. I'm gonna put that to the side. Spud. Winston Garland. Sam Bowie. Rex Chapman. The fun ain't that the motherfucking quarterback. Rex Grossman. Alright, nothing else in here. Nothing else in the pack. Why don't you get his phone to stay a little bit better? Get you more of a view down there. A little better? Yeah, it looks a little bit better. See how long that lasts. Ghetto, we got the ghetto set up. We're just starting. We got the shitload of cards though, I'll tell you that. We got a ton. Just got off the boat with them. Brought it back in a tall crate. Michael Thompson. I'm looking for MJ, really. Dennis, there's Dennis. He worth a little something. We gotta get you a PSA 10 though, Dennis. That's almost right. Almost though. I don't think almost counts. What do you think? Only hand grenades and horseshoes. Fuck. Little Theodore Edwards. Never heard of him. Kenny Smith. Someone bought his card the other day. Kenny Smith. PSA 10, 40 bucks they paid for Kenny Smith. Probably Kenny Smith trying to let motherfuckers know his shit's worth money. He ain't tricking nobody, Kenny Smith. You know that was you who bought your own card. At 40, you couldn't even drop 100 on it. All that TNT money they're giving you, got it. You got that TNT money. See what out here, you and Shaq. Antoine Carr. Kevin Edwards. Craig Alo. Uh-oh, here's Vladdy. Give me a 10. Fuck, ain't no damn 10. There's Vladdy though. Give him glasses. He loves his glasses. It's Patrick Ewing. Alright. We know you're tall. We know you're tall, Patrick. You're trying to show off. And him. And Joe Dumars. Charles, Sir Charles. Terrible. You're terrible. You ain't worth nothing. Okay, we got Dos Mas. I'm gonna hang the fuck up. Alright, let's see what we got here. Darnell Walker. Or Jeff. Who did Jeff bring with him? Charles Smith. Mitch Rittman. Sam Vincent. Alright. Charles. Derek. Mitch Richmond. Pooh Richardson, my bad. Todd Lickety. Billy Thompson. Oh, Rod Strickland. I don't think Rod Strickland worked nothing. Rod Strickland. Now, there is one guy's worth something I never even heard of. His name's Marcialonis or something? Marcialonis? Some white dude with a name like that, you know it is, huh? Yeah, Marcialonis. I don't know. We'll find. See if we can find his ass. Well, he's worth some. He ain't worth much though, but you can get you 15 bucks for him. Eric Floyd. And that is who died? Eric Floyd. Who was that? Livingston. Alright, Hakeem. No K. There's no H in that motherfucker. Scottie Pippen again coming up. We got David Wingate, Bill Wennington, Scottie. Big ass nose. Mark West. Jack Sigma. Rasmussen. Fucking John Williams. Get my fucking old Carl Malone, Purvis, and the motherfucking checklist. Alright. Well, that's it for 1990. I'm coming back with the rest of the 90, and then we got a motherfucking Mosaic Blaster we're gonna open. I got a box coming Monday, so tune in. Adios.